Xiaomi X20 versus the Mova E30 Ultra. Which robot vacuum is better? So Xiaomi is a high-spec, mid-premium robot vacuum plus a mop combo. It features advanced navigation, smart cleaning features, and a self-servicing station. So for the pros, it has a strong suction, enough for more hard flows and light carpets. It also has a dual rotating map pops. And it is an all-in-one dock and station that auto-empty the dust, washes, and dries map pads. It also has a plenty of battery capacity, and it's good for mapping and navigation. The cons is though, the suction is good, but it is below the top-end models. The map lift is very high and heavy as well. And they have a big and heavy dock plus station footprint, which requires space. So some reports as well, according to some issues on the battery and the mid-clean stoppage. Now for Mova E30 on the other hand, is an ultra similar high-feature robot vacuum plus a mop solution, aimed at delivering powerful cleaning and longer runtime. So for the pros, it also has a higher suction power, an excellent runtime, a large dust bag capacity, a very capable mopping, and a smart navigation and mapping via the LiDAR. The cons is though, the performance and some obstacle detection may be less smooth compared to other devices. So if your priority is a maximum cleaning power plus longer runtime, then choose the Mova E30 Ultra. But if you want a very good performance with many hands-off conveniences and value features, then choose the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20.